Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your primary activity in the Trailforks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the hike button at the top of the page in the middle. And here you can set the primary activity. So all the available activities are listed here. So just click on the one that you want to set, and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.